29 additional people have tested positive for COVID-19. They will be processed for admission at the discretion of the CMOH. There are no new deaths, with the number remaining at 65. 4 people have been discharged from public health facilities, as well as there are now 45 recovered community cases. Now, this refers to people who were in self-isolation at home who met the discharge criteria and were released from self-isolation. And our reporter Crystal Wilson just attended the virtual conference update on COVID-19. She gives us this report on the latest information. Crystal?
Hi, good afternoon. The Cora Hospital has undergone a number of changes over the years, all of which are improvements to the facility. This according to Thoracic Medical Director of the Cora Hospital, Dr. Michelle Trotman. Dr. Trotman, who was among the panel for this morning's Ministry of Health COVID-19 update, said the location is ideal for recovery and rehabilitation of COVID-19 positive patients who are either mildly ill or suspected of having the virus. She said members of the public should not be fearful of being admitted to the facility, as those patients who are mildly ill in most instances stay for only 3 to 5 days before being sent to home quarantine. Also contributing during this morning's update was Nurse Renee Solomon, who urged people with underlying illnesses such as hypertension and diabetes to cooperate with doctors and nurses while hospitalized. She reminded that it's important that those with underlying illnesses maintain strict diets and not cheat, as it causes deterioration in their health conditions. That's your latest update for TTT News. I am Crystal Wilson.
Thank you very much, Crystal. Meanwhile, operations at the Port of Spain District Court have been adjusted following information that an officer's COVID-19 status is being examined. The judiciary says while no one has been confirmed as COVID-19 positive, the usual precautions for this level of exposure has called for the current course of action. It adds that no one will be allowed into the court building until sanitization has been completed, but notes that limited in-person activity will resume in the court building from Wednesday. Meanwhile, the judiciary says limited in-person activity will resume in the Sangre Grande District Court from today, Monday. It says people seeking access to the court building must make an appointment in advance by contacting the court office via telephone or email. It reminds that there will be no in-person hearing except in limited circumstances, as directed by its practice direction issued on September 16.